picture of
I
you.
can't wait for you to read this.
Let me take a picture of you.
I think Jenny has a very special
Let me take a
insight into this world, a
picture.
certain kind of vision. That's the
Look.
reason that she's the only person who could possibly direct the picture.
Come here.
Directing? The girls?
Hey. Hi. Baby.
Give him to me.
Love you. Love you.
What's this on his head? This is mauve. This is not orange. And the groomer ran out of orange, and so that we no.
Say bye-bye.
I don't pay you to think.
Say bye-bye.
Do I sound okay?
Bye-bye.
He hates you. So take him back to the groomers now.